to make sure that you understand how calculations are performed in Python, you need to be aware of BIDMAS, which is something that you will learn in your maths lessons. Now, I write BIDMAS like this instead of like this, because if you write it that way, it can cause a little bit of confusion, which I'll show you why in a minute. So hopefully you've seen this before. B is for brackets, I is for indices, D is for division, M is for multiply, and then the A is add, and the S is subtract. Now, the reason that I have written those two letters there, add and subtract, on top of each other is because they are interchangeable. So if you're reading some arithmetic, you read it from left to right. So if the subtract comes first, then you do that calculations first, and if the addition comes first, then you do that calculation first. And I'm going to show you some examples of how that works in Python. So here's some example code that you might see in Python, and we're just using this BIDMAS as an example. So we know we've got to go to our brackets first. So 5 add 3 is 8. So then we are left with 8 take away 3 add 2. Now, if we were reading it on here from left to right, we might be fooled or tricked into doing the addition first because it becomes first there. But actually, because the subtract comes first, we're reading it from left to right. So we do 8 take away 3 first, which is 5, and then we add our 2, which makes 7. So when we run this in Python, we should get the answer 7. So I'm just going to run this code now, and you can see the maths was right and it's a 7.